Hey friends and welcome back. Now in this part I am going to discuss about menu bar, menu and menu item. This menu bar is used to display menu bars on your window or a frame. It may have many menus. So let me show you how it would looks like. This is a menu which contains the different items, and different items again you can consider one of them as a menu, and again it will contains different items. This is sub menu, this is a main menu. In this sub menus there are some more items here. Okay, this is you can use this menu option, and with the use of your text area component of GUI you can make your own notepad. So this is one of the important component you must know so that you can make a notepad application of your own. Okay, so in this part we are going to discuss about menu items and menu and create one of them. So without any wasting time, I'm just going to create my menu application. So again, the first thing which I have to do is to import javax.swing.asterisk files. After doing so, just create a class. In class, just write menu and just write menu submenu, because it also comes under menu. Okay, now I'm going to create some menu items: I1, I2, I3, I4 and I5. Put semicolon at last, and menu, and write jframe equal to f equal to new jframe. In this way I just make an instance for our frame. Then inside I have written menu and menu items. This will be going to appear on my title bar of my application. Then just write jmenu bar mb equal to new jmenu bar. Now after it, write menu equal to new jmenu. Inside it just write menu, and inside I'm going to create a submenu instance for submenu. It will be similar like that I have created for main menu. And after doing so, I'm going to create an instance for each and every items. I1 equal to new j menu item, I2 equal to j menu item 2, um, I3 equal to new j menu item number 3. Then for I4, new j menu item, and at last for item 5 just write I5 equal to new j menu item. Okay, so in this way till now I created an instance for each and everything: menu item, menu bar and the items. Now just going to add menu.add I1, menu.add I2, menu.add I3, but write submenu.add I4 and submenu.add I5. This menu will be added submenu. Okay, these items will be added into submenu option, and I1, I2, I3 will be in main menu. Now in menu.add just write submenu, so that this submenu will be also added into menu. Now write mb.add menu bar. I'm just added menu, and now I'm going to add this menu bar into my frame. Now set the size of your frame, and after setting the size of your frame just write the f dot layout null and write f dot your visibility property will be true. And after doing this is a simple menu option which I've created right now, where there will be a main menu and a sub menu. Sub menu will be under a menu. In main menu option, there will be item 1, item 2, item 3. In sub menu, there will be two more option, item 4 and item 5. So create your public void main, and inside it just create an object for your menu. Save this file with the name menu.java, and open your command prompt to compile this Java file. Just write java c menu.java and then write java menu. Remove the C, and it will open an application with a main menu. Inside it, item 1, item 2, item 3 is there, and sub menu is under menu option, and sub menu contains item 4, item 5. So in this way, I have created a simple application which demonstrates that how you can use menu and menu item, and this is a menu item bar. So this is a very important component of GUI application. So if you want to create of your own notepad, use this component and the text area so that you can create your own notepad. And for pop-up option, I'm going to tell you in my next video. So for till now, keep learning and keep motivating.